All right, no baby hair right here and baby hair right there. Okay, this is two baby hair or not two baby hair. It's so funny. But I will be showing you guys the difference of wearing no baby hair and actually having baby hair. Y'all know that I usually prefer baby hair, but I see what y'all are talking about no baby hair. So this video, I'm going to explain it a little bit more, why I like to wear baby hair, but, still do what you like, wear baby hair or not. But so this is the hair that I will be showing you guys in this video. It comes with a wig cap and elastic band, and then it comes with the wig, which has been pre-plucked. I did go in and pluck it a little bit more. You do not need to pluck it anymore. Trust me, like it comes pre-plucked, but I was just being extra. But look at this parting space. It comes with so much parting space in the middle. They said 6 inches, but it seemed like it's about a good 8. Like it's so much space. And this is the body wave texture. It looks really, really good. Has a nice little luster to it. Everything is like just perfect about this wig. So I did have to go in and bleach my knots. I had the bleach on there maybe about 15 minutes. Didn't take long. It processed well. And then I went ahead and washed the hair and let it air dry and just put like some swerves in it while it was air drying. So that's how I got it to kind of get that body wave S curl texture back. The hair is super soft. I wore it for about a good day and a half, and I didn't have any issues with it. Like it is really, really nice. This is definitely one of my going to be one of my go-to wigs because it was the bomb. So yeah, here I'm just gonna go in and curl the hair because I don't like to wear my body wave in its natural state because as you can see I couldn't get everything to be back in that like uniformed uh texture, I guess, whatever shape as curl. So I'm just curling it here with my curlers. I received these from an Amazon-based company, Olaxer. There's some really good curlers. So this is what it looks like after I has finished curling the hair. As you can see, it has like a nice luster to it, and I have not added any um, oil or anything to the hair. So I'm just taking my Amber J wax sticks, putting it on my edges so that I can pull it back because I was trying to do no baby hair. Like, I like the look sometime of no baby hair. Look at that. Don't it look good? This wig is bomb. But I had to add a little baby hair, and in the midst, I thought I'd show you guys the difference of baby hair and no baby hair. So I went ahead and added some powder foundation to the lace. Well, I'm doing it now. It just looked like that, I guess, from the bleach. But since it's powder, it kind of went through. So I'm going to take a washcloth and just wipe that extra powder that actually got on the hair. Put that on my head and go ahead and get ready to apply it. See, it looks so natural and so good. Like this wig is bomb. It's super, super soft. Y'all, I'm telling y'all, like I've had some soft wigs, but this one is like really, really soft, like bomb. Click the link down below so y'all can go purchase. So I'm just going to apply this with some Got to Be Glue free spray, and I think that kind of play a little difference in it and why it wasn't like laid and you can still kind of see the lace because I use Got to Be Glue. Got to Be Glue is good, but if you want that thing like laid, get you some adhesive. Like stop playing and get you some adhesive. It's not gonna take out your edges, but it just depends on the mood that I'm in. I'll use my Ghost Bond adhesive or I'll use Got to Be Glue. And today I want to use Got to Be Glue, so that's what I did. But back to this hair, like look how good it looks. So I'm just gonna comb out the curls and just give it like some life, a little body. Just coming out with a wide tooth comb just to get that look. It was just looking so good, y'all. It was just like simple, but it looks really good. Like this could definitely be a everyday wig. Y'all will really love this wig. Go get this wig because it is bomb. So as you can see here, I'm just combing out the curls, trying to show you guys how the hair looks and the texture and everything. So again, back to my edges. This is what they look like without any baby hair. I like it. with no baby hair. It's nice, but the only thing is like this lace, like you can see it. And the reason why I add the baby hair is so that you can't see that lace, like it won't be so detectable. So that's why I like adding baby hair, but don't get me wrong. Who is interrupting me? But don't get me wrong, it looks really, really good without it, besides when you like gotta look straight. You can kind of see the lace. So to not see the lace, that's why I add the baby hair. But it's up to you. You can do it with or without it. I just thought I could show you guys the difference of how it looks with or without it. So y'all leave me a comment down below and let me know which one you like best. So here, I wasn't feeling it, so I'm just going to go ahead and add me some baby hair. And what I realized is that you don't need much hair. Like you see that little bit, I just pulled out the smallest amount, and I'm going to go ahead and cut that. You don't want to have it super duper long, or you don't want to have it really short. You just want to have it like in the middle. Do it like how I just did here. That's how long you want to have it. And then I'm going to go ahead and use mousse, because mousse isn't going to get it really hard and crunchy, but it's also going to like hold the baby hair to where it's not like moving. So I like to make my baby hair, and then I'll go back and actually comb it out, and it still keeps that same hold, like that same little swirl. So that's like a good tip for you guys to use. And I don't like to swirl it right off back. I want to put it on, then like go to the other side, then go back and like kind of form my baby hair so that it can like have time to like, I guess, create like a little mold, and bam. So I left a little piece right there to make it look a little bit more natural without baby hair. And then I just put like my baby hair on the side. So that's how I love to wear my wigs. But I know I have a YouTube channel, so I want to be able to show you guys different ways that you can wear it, not just the way that I like to. So thought this would be a good video so you guys can see if you like baby hair or not, or the reason why I always add it, because the lace, some lace is even thicker than this, like it will really be showing through, and so you won't be looking lacy and wiggish. Just add your little baby hair, just really thin, and you're good to go. So y'all please thumbs up and subscribe to this video. I love you guys. Bye.